Good morning, students. I will teach you today 2.5 Book Review Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan. पुस्तकाचा आढावा स्वामी अँड फ्रेंड्स, लेखक R.K. Narayan. So students, I will take first chit chat. Form groups of 3 to 4 and share the following with your groups. Your favorite book? My favorite book is Wings of Fire. Type of book? Autobiography. Author or writer? Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam and Arun Tiwari. Background, time and place. Kalam has expressed his childhood days and efforts to take education various places such as Rameshwaram, Chennai, etc. are mentioned. Main character Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. Problem: as it is an autobiography, life sketch of Kalam is defected. Any special message? We should always be optimistic in order to achieve success. Now, I will going to teach you and read the topic Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan, page number 69. A little bit about the book. Anything I mention about the book can be mistakenly understood as spoilers, so I would rather give a glance into the book without mentioning any events or plots of the story. Swami is a mischievous little kid about 10 years old and living in the area where India was under the British rule. Like most kids of that age, Swami is a kid who cannot stay at one place and absolutely hates school. Even worse, mathematics. School is his absolute nightmare. Anyway, the story unfolds around the happenings of this kid and how he constantly gets into trouble and gets a good beating from his father. Swami is talkative little kid and thinks that's his way of facing life, talking himself out of everything, but he does learn the truth the harsh way. As many teens back then, all he wants to do is play under the sun. Kick something, climb a tree, break something, and harass somebody, unlike kids today. This, in fact, was, and in most parts of India still is, the life of typical boy growing up. Technology isn't big in a kid's life. All they want to play havoc. In what ways is Swami a typical boy in his growing years? In this regard, Narayan gets deeply into the workings of Swami's 10 years old mind, explaining exactly how he thinks and what his perspective of the world is. The reader does feel like Swami and gets very attached with the character as the story progresses. That's the magic of Narayan. Significance of the book Swami and Friends by R.K. Narayan is not merely an interesting read and would be enjoyed from top to bottom, but the work attributes a lot of literary values even if it is a thin book. Now I give you introduction and also simple language of English. All of us listen carefully. The present lesson is a book review of R.K. Narayan's novel Swami and Friends. The novel is in the form of stories, but in this review not a single event is mentioned. Swami is the leading character in the novel. He was a kid 10 years old who lived under British rule. Swami is a mischievous and naughty boy. He likes to wander from one place to another. He hates school. He always plays pranks and as a result is beaten up by his father. He is a talkative kid and enjoys life in his own way. As a typical Indian kid, he plays in the afternoon under the sun, kicks something, climbs a tree, breaks something, and troubles someone. The children like to enjoy their life. Swami also enjoys by doing loss or damage to someone something. The writer has depicted the character sketch of Swami in such a way that the reader becomes eager to read or listen to the funny activities of Swami. The novel is not just interesting but is full of literary values, though it is teen book. The children as well as adults like the book. The book is widely used in the Asian continent as a study text for the students who study literature. The book is not studied through grammar point of view. It is a fine example of literature. The language of the book is very simple and easy. One can easily understand the events. The English used in the book is very plain and simple. Even the kids understand it. The book is represented in short sentences to offer simplicity. Some of the Indian parents are worried about their children. They think that their pupils might go on the wrong way, but the children play mischief without causing any harm to anyone. Their pranks are harmless and pure. The kids do not hurt anyone. They are very sensitive and loving. R.K. Narayan has depicted the character of Swami like that. Swami is also very loving and sensitive as any other kid. At last we are suggested to read the book Swami and Friends. So boys, we are going to some questions under the lesson. Listen carefully. State whether the following statements are true or false. The events or plots of the story are mentioned in the article. Answer is false. Second question. Swami is a studious boy. Answer is false. School is an absolute nightmare for Swami. This answer is true. His father would not punish Swami. This answer is false. The book Swami and Friends is enjoyed by all including teen girls. This answer is true. Now choose some correct alternatives below. Swami is a dash little kid. Calm, talkative, dangerous, courage. Answer is talkative. Swami did not like the subject English, Hindi, mathematics, Sanskrit. Answer mathematics. Dash is not a big thing in a kid's life. Money, noble, technology, biology. Answer is technology. Now I will give a question to you and solve the problems in your house carefully. First question. What is the most striking quality of 10 years old Swami? And now the answer. The most striking quality of 10 years old Swami was that he always learned the truth the harsh way.